Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best smart doorbell is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your home's safety and convenience, offering peace of mind whether you're at home or miles away. Imagine never missing a delivery, always knowing who's at your door, and deterring potential intruders with advanced features like motion detection and two-way audio, all accessible from your smartphone. This device acts as your vigilant eyes and ears, transforming your front porch into a secure and connected space, ensuring that your home remains protected and you stay informed about every visitor. Number 5. Ring Battery Doorbell, 2nd Gen, Venetian Bronze. Introducing the latest version of our best-selling video doorbell. It offers 66% more vertical coverage, ensuring you see more of what matters at your home or business. It comes with a built-in battery that's easily recharged by USB-C, simply charge it, mount it, and you're connected to your phone in a snap. See and speak to anyone at your door with live view and two-way talk. You'll receive instant alerts on your phone whenever motion is detected. Get smarter notifications that distinguish between people and packages, so you know exactly what's happening. This feature requires a compatible subscription. Never miss a moment. Scroll back to rewatch past events and gain deeper insights into your home's activity with an optional Ring Protect subscription. Enjoy hands-free monitoring and custom notifications with compatible Alexa devices. You can even launch video feeds using voice commands. What we like. This doorbell offers an expanded vertical view, capturing more of what matters. Its built-in battery means you can charge it up and install it anywhere without complex wiring. If you're looking for a versatile security solution that's easy to set up and provides a comprehensive view of your doorstep, this is a great choice. What people say. The doorbell camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the area. Motion detection is highly sensitive and can be adjusted to avoid false alerts. The two-way audio feature allows clear communication with visitors. Number 4. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220. This device uses AI to detect pets or people, ensuring it only records when something important happens. You get relevant footage without unnecessary clutter. See everything with incredible detail in up to 2K resolution. You'll never miss a moment, capturing exactly what's happening inside your home. Easily connect it to your favorite voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. Enjoy complete control over your home monitoring system. When motion is detected, it automatically follows the action. Its advanced pan and tilt feature provides a full 360 degrees view, covering every corner of the room. Talk to anyone through the camera using its built-in two-way audio. Stay connected and communicate directly from your device. Even in low light, you can see clearly thanks to its advanced night vision capabilities. Keep an eye on your home day and night. What we like. This indoor camera is designed to intelligently track pets and people, ensuring you never miss a moment. Its 360 degrees pan and tilt capability provides complete room coverage, and the 2K clarity lets you see every detail. If you need to keep an eye on your pets or want comprehensive indoor monitoring with smart tracking, this camera is ideal. What people say. The doorbell camera has a wide-angle lens, providing a clear view of the entire porch area. Motion detection is highly customizable, allowing users to set specific zones and sensitivity levels to reduce false alerts. The two-way audio feature works well, enabling clear conversations with visitors even when not at home. Number 3. EUFY Security 2K Doorbell Camera. Experience superior viewing with 2K high-definition resolution and advanced HDR. It ensures every detail is vividly captured, day or night. Our AI-powered detection distinguishes humans with precision. This minimizes false alerts, providing you with greater peace of mind. Engage in real-time conversations with visitors through direct two-way audio. It offers immediate and clear communication right from your phone. Customize your doorstep announcements with an electronic chime. It features 8 ringtones, holiday themes, and adjustable volume control. Enjoy the full suite of features without ongoing costs. There are no subscription fees, just a one-time purchase for continuous security. Keep your recordings secure with local storage options. This means no monthly fees and no hidden costs for your peace of mind. What we like. Experience crystal clear 2K video with advanced HDR and intelligent human recognition, all without any recurring subscription costs. It offers direct two-way audio for instant communication and customizable alerts. If you want a high-definition doorbell with smart detection and the benefit of local storage and no monthly fees, this is the one for you. What people say. The doorbell camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the entryway. Motion detection alerts are highly customizable, allowing users to set specific zones and sensitivity levels. The two-way audio feature is clear and allows for easy communication with visitors. Number 2. KIMILAR Anti-Theft Video Doorbell Mount. Introducing the KIMILAR Anti-Theft Video Doorbell Mount, designed with a sleek appearance and powerful anti-theft capabilities. Never worry about your doorbell being stolen again. This mount is exclusively compatible with Blink Video Doorbell, Gen 1, and various Ring Video Doorbells, including the latest battery doorbell models. Please check compatibility before purchasing. It's suitable for most doors with a thickness between 0.6 and 2.3 inches, whether they open left or right. Please ensure your door is not a security door. Installation is a breeze. Simply place your video doorbell into the shell and adjust the clip to fit your door thickness. You can even adjust the distance from the doorbell to the door. The package includes one anti-theft video doorbell mount. If you have any issues, our customer support is ready to assist you. What we like. This mount provides a robust anti-theft solution for your video doorbell, ensuring it stays secure. It's designed for easy installation on various door types and offers adjustable positioning. If you're concerned about doorbell theft and need a secure, adaptable mounting bracket for your compatible doorbell, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The doorbell camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the entryway. Motion detection is highly sensitive, alerting me to any activity even before someone reaches the door. The two-way audio feature allows clear communication with visitors, whether I'm home or not. Number 1. EUFY Security C210 Battery Video Doorbell Kit. See every detail at your doorstep with stunning 1080p HD resolution and WDR. Whether it's day or night, you'll experience vivid quality for all your visitor insights. Your data stays secure with local storage and advanced encryption. Simply add a microSD card to the chime to keep your footage safely offline. Enhance your entryway with its modern, slim design. Enjoy a wire-free setup that takes only minutes, making installation incredibly easy. Benefit from 120 days of vigilant monitoring on a single charge. It provides reliable coverage and peace of mind without any required subscription. Invest in a security solution with no ongoing fees. This cost-effective, one-time purchase offers continuous protection and smart savings. What we like. Enjoy long-lasting security with a 120-day battery life on a single charge, coupled with 1080p HD clarity and AI detection, all without any monthly fees. It features a sleek, wire-free design for easy installation and local storage for privacy. If you're looking for a cost-effective, low-maintenance doorbell with excellent battery performance and no hidden costs, this is an excellent option. What people say. The doorbell camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the entryway. Motion detection alerts are customizable, allowing users to set specific zones and sensitivity levels. The two-way audio feature enables clear communication with visitors, even when you're not home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.